Is it time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore SPY in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 16th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 16th of April, 2025, our system has ranked SPY as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.7. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The exchange-traded fund is situated in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines within this trend are anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 13.78% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -19.99% to -9.02%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 11.94%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 6.07% and 32.75% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $557.54 and $697.83. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline, SPY ETF downgraded to sell candidate. The SPY ETF price experienced a decline of 2.22% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 16th of April, 2025. Dropping from $537.61 to $525.66. During this trading session, the ETF fluctuated by 2.86%, with a low of $520.29 and a high of $535.15. The price has decreased in 7 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a total decline of 6.88% during this period. Notably, volume increased on the last day by 15 million shares, but this occurred alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning signal, slightly increasing risk over the next few days. In total, 71 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $37.1 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price for the ETF was $613.23, while the lowest price recorded was $481.80. Currently, the price stands 14.28%, or $87.57, below the 52-week high of $613.23, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Bank of America's Paul Sienna recently indicated a tactically bearish stance on the S&P 500, following the index's first death cross in 3 years. This technical signal can imply a loss of upward momentum. This development, along with recent forecasts suggesting U.S. indices, including the S&P 500, may continue to drift lower, signals potential short-term pressure on SPY shares as investor sentiment leans more pessimistic. Moreover, as America faces a critical phase of debt refinancing in the year 2025, where over $8 trillion needs to come due, pressure is mounting on the Federal Reserve to consider rate cuts to avert a recession. This economic backdrop contributes to market volatility, with leveraged ETFs and hedge funds exacerbating price swings through margin calls. Historically, such conditions can lead to further declines, negatively affecting SPY in the immediate term. Investors appear to be reassessing traditional strategies like the 60-40 portfolio in light of these challenges, as many believe it no longer yields desirable returns. For SPY, this sentiment could translate to cautious trading and diminished buying interest as the market grapples with these bearish indicators. In the long term, if rate cuts are enacted to stimulate growth, there could be a reversal in sentiment. However, the current technical indicators and the economic climate suggest more short-term volatility for SPY as investors adjust strategies amid heightened risk. The following signals have been identified for SPY. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 5.88%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence near-term developments. The SPY exchange-traded fund holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at $529.43 and $556.12. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence indicator. Volume increased on declining prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence-divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger also points to a buy signal from 7 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 39 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 36 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a sell signal from 17 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reveals a buy signal from 28 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $524.58. And this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund experiences average daily movements, and with strong trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated $14.86 between its high and low, which represents a change of 2.86%. In the past week, the ETF has recorded an average daily volatility of 2.8%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $536.70. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $524.58. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. We currently have a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been established. Is the SPY ETF a good buy? The SPY ETF exhibits several negative indicators and is currently within a broad and declining trend, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we hold a negative outlook on this ETF. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a hold or accumulate to a sell recommendation since our last assessment. After reviewing the volatility and price movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 17th of April, we anticipate that SPY will open higher by $1.37, starting trading at $527.03. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.